In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bookmarks to plans in Stack. Before we dive in, make sure you have your Google account details handy because you'll need them to log in. Let's get started. First, head over to the Stack login page. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, just open your browser and type in the URL to get there. Once you're on the login screen, you'll notice an option to log in with Google. Click on that option. This allows you to quickly access your Stack account using your Google credentials. It's a streamlined way to log in without having to remember another password. After logging in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. From here, you should see your projects listed. Locate the project you want to work on and click on it. This takes you directly to your project's overview page, where you can manage various aspects of your project. Next, you want to navigate to the Plans and Takeoffs section. This area houses all the plans associated with your project. Once there, you'll probably see a list of plans. Find the plan you want to bookmark. To do this, click on the View button next to the specific plan. This option loads the plan in full view, allowing you to interact with it more easily. Now that you have your plan up, shift your focus to the right side panel. Here you'll find several tools, including the Bookmarks section. Click on the Bookmarks option. This prepares the panel for you to add new bookmarks or review any existing ones you've added previously. Look for a button labeled Add Bookmark and give it a click. This action will prompt a small pop-up or field to enter the name of your bookmark. Be thoughtful about what you name it, as this helps you identify it quickly later on. Once you've typed in a descriptive name, something that makes it easy to remember the purpose or location of this bookmark, you're almost done. The final step is to save your bookmark. You'll see a Save button nearby. Click on it to ensure your new bookmark is added to the plan. And that's it. You've successfully added a bookmark to your plan in Stack. Remember, bookmarking is a helpful tool that keeps your workflow organized by marking specific spots on your plan where you need to focus or return later. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy planning!